Today I'll show you how easy it is to get started with AI Assist for your cleaning company. First, navigate to Add-ons and select Get Started. Activate AI Assist and follow the simple instructions to get it trained and ready to take over. If your website URL is correct, click Next. AI Assist will automatically generate FAQs from your website. Once done, you can review and edit the FAQs, or add a new question and answer by clicking the Add FAQ button. Now it's time to test out AI Assist. You can view real-time responses by clicking on the questions. The next step is to modify your AI Assist persona. Change its name and role, and upload an avatar. Enable multilingual support to let AI Assist respond in different languages. Then select the plan that suits your needs and activate it. If you notice any missing information in your FAQs, you can use the web ingestion tool to upload specific pages from your website. In this section, you can easily review and edit the ingested data to ensure it is accurate and up to date. Make sure to activate the recrawl feature to keep your information current and accurate at all times. Imagine using AI Assist's capabilities to answer your clients' queries using the data from your website. Isn't that amazing? Are you still handling customer service yourself? Activate tawk.to's AI Assist today and let Apollo handle it for you 24/7.